Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Today we are going to a lowrider event in Queens. It's good weather. It is Saturday. It's a good day to have a good day. So I'm gonna show y'all the behind the scenes of the photo shoot because I'm gonna do a photo shoot. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at the cars. I love looking at the cars. Y'all see the cars? Infamous. This is the car club. Today's their barbecue. Got this one. Y'all see the details. This one, the red one. Let me know in the chat which one you like. Oh, this one's cool because this one has New York. We from New York. So New York, period. This one, it says Queens get the money. New York. Because we from New York. Y'all see the details too. This is a Chevrolet. So this is another car. We got the bike, the lowrider bike. So many beautiful cars. This one is a Chevrolet as well. This is a Lincoln. Got all the classic cars over here. So many beautiful cars.
Louis V lifestyle.
That's it?
Photographer.
Oh, should I do it with the shorts first and then?
Yeah, and then do it. Yeah, get comfortable first.
I'm getting jealous. Can I take a picture here by my car? Pat, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Pat, what are you doing? Pat, I'm trying to make it over there. What's up, baby? How you doing?
Get over there. Go enjoy yourself.
Which one's your car?
The blue one, the photo.
Oh, okay.
She'll be out there after.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Ah, it's hot.
Take something like this. The car's hot.
Wait, show the nails. Show the nails.
Oh, so this is the nails.
Shout me out. Shout me out.
Shout out to Sony Girl Nails.
Period.
This is the Mexico bikini. Because Mexico's gonna win the World Cup.
Period. How you feeling though? How you
So I feel
feeling?
excited. I'm about to take pictures with these fire cars. I'm a little nervous, but I'm getting shit done. But yeah, stay tuned for the pictures.
I'm gonna show you the cars, the event.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret of sights. Because I want you to like it. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I can no longer hide it. Want to remember your mind then. The laces that close up your digest. White dress. Tell me that you feel like I do. Try because it's super smooth. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me.
This is a vlog. Shout yourself out.
It was all about the visuals, the shooting content.
I heard that. I think we all doing that. Yeah.
You went to the cruise yesterday?
Nah, quiet. All right, so you want to hop in?
Yeah.
You want to like in this seat? Hop in.
About a hot.
Nice, nice. Keep cleaning it, that's nice. a picture of that. Hey, cheese.
Man, Charlie, dude.
She's doing that shit like a pro. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's amazing.
That looks like fun, right?
It doesn't matter. Right? That's why I said I want to be at a light doing that.
Yeah.
If I had one of these, I don't care how many batteries I want to play with it all day.
There's the cars here. There's more cars over there. So we're doing photo shoot. Bunch of nice lowrider cars. So yeah, let's check out the other ones over there on the other side.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret of sights. Because I want you to like it. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I can no longer hide it. What do I remember your mind then? The nights just the close of your digest. Why just tell me that you.
So tell us, how you feeling?
Did we take videos?
I took a bunch of videos.
Like
yeah, like both. For your vlog and for your reels.
okay.
But you know, I couldn't really see because of the sun, so.
Gonna get a drink. Some water. Some soda. Ooh, soda. Some water. Gotta grab a soda. All right, we add infamous barbecue. About to get some food. Got the food over here. I'm starving. Alright, besties. So right now I'm eating a cheeseburger after all the hard work. There's no ketchup. What sauce is this? Cajun?
Cajun barbecue.
Cajun barbecue?
Yeah.
It's good. It's good.
It's good?
Mhm.
I'm gonna try it.
I already ate my 2 hot dogs. I was starving.
Sí, ¿qué pasó?
So the prices is ashtray, hoodie, hat.
Ashtray, hoodie, hat, lanyard.
Spin it now?
Yeah, let me actually have my coworker record you guys real quick.
Wait, hold on. She's gonna get the.
I kind of want to ask you. Let's manifest.
Okay, mom. Got it.
That's funny.
Hold on.
Look at she just put it. Oh wait. That's funny.
Dale ahí.
Wait, can you test it out?
Yeah. Como, did it feel okay? Oh, lo tienes que bajar un poquito.
Why would we give
Nah, it doesn't even work. Ah, dale ahí.
Do it like that, like how she did it. Oh, okay. Ooh, let's see what you're gonna get.
Ashtray.
Oh! You got an ashtray. Nice.
See, manifestation is key.
I'm so glad you got that, what you wanted. Yeah. Manifestation is key.
That's what you wanted to hear. Oh, so we
Thank you so much.
Oh. Okay. So look at these nice cars.
questions, just let me know. Okay, sounds good.
Got the homie loteria, the shades. I'm getting a car. Y'all know I'm manifesting a real
Real lowrider, but I'm taking this one.
I want this one, y'all. Y'all see this one? And I like the chingon one. I think I'm gonna get that one for her.
What else they got over here? Oh, they got the big ones, the big homies.
Hi besties, so I just left the Lowrider event. It was such a good vibes, good cars, cool cars, good people, fire food, it was such a vibe. Like I love going to the Lowrider events, but there's more coming up because it's summertime, so we outside. And I did do the bikini photo shoot, so stay tuned for the photos, the videos. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check, guess what, I got my first pink lowrider. I'm manifesting a real one, but I want a pink Impala just like this, period. So I'm so happy to put it in my room, and I'm gonna start my new collection. So yeah, besties, so see y'all at the next event. Let me know which car y'all love the most. So yeah.